A scammer may sound polite, professional, and even helpful. They may know your name, your bank, or part of your address. But the danger is not always what they know, it's what they pressure you to do next. In this video, I'll show you 7 warning signs you may be talking to a scammer. And one of them sounds so much like legitimate account security that many people never question it. This mistake can give a scammer complete access to your account. We don't want that. Who am I? My name is Marvin Sykes. I was a police officer for 25 years. I was a detective for 19 years in the narcotics unit, and I participated in thousands of investigations. And it taught me to pay attention to pressure tactics, inconsistencies, emotional manipulation, and what someone does not want you to verify. Those same behaviors appear in many scams. So let's break them down, shall we? Let me get comfortable here. Warning sign number 1, they create extreme urgency. The first warning sign is extreme urgency. The person says, you must act now. Your account will close. Your loved one is in danger. The offer expires today. Scammers create urgency because urgency reduces thinking. They do not want you to slow down. They want you reacting before you can verify what's going on. Now, here's the rule. A real emergency can survive a few minutes or careful verification. A scam usually cannot. When someone demands an immediate decision, do not match their speed. Slow everything down. Urgency is not proof of a scam. It's definitely not. Extreme urgency is always a reason to stop and verify. Warning number 2. The second warning sign is secrecy. You get a text that says, don't tell anyone about this. A scammer may say, do not tell your spouse. Do not contact your bank. This investigation is confidential. Your family will only worry. This is not protection. This is isolation. Scammers know that another person may recognize the fraud, so they try to separate you from anyone who might question the story. Here's your response. Tell someone you trust. A spouse, a family member, a friend. Message me, all right? Or your financial institution. A legitimate organization should not fear a second opinion. Secrecy protects the scammer and not you. Pay attention to that. And later, I'll reveal another phrase scammers use to stop you from getting help. Sign number 3, warning sign number 3, they use fear or emotional pressure. The third warning sign is emotional pressure. They may sound like you'll be arrested, your electricity will be disconnected, your grandchild needs money, you are the only person who can help. I heard that before. Scammers may use fear, even guilt. Romance. Hey, they just met you, but they fell in love with you by the second sentence. They may use excitement or sympathy. Their goal is simple. They want emotion to replace judgment. Here's the detective's observation. When the emotion becomes stronger, the facts often become weaker. Ask basic questions. Who are you? What department are you calling me from? What's the official case number? How can I verify this independently on my own? A scammer may become angry when you ask questions. That anger is another warning sign. The stronger the emotional pressure, the more important it is to pause. You have to pause when you're getting hit with so many things. Warning sign number 4. We are number 4. They request unusual payment. Now, the fourth warning sign, the unusual payment request, they may ask you for a gift card. What bill do you pay with a gift card? Cryptocurrencies, a wire transfer, cash through a courier, or money sent through a payment app? Zelle, Cash App. Stop right there. Government agencies do not collect fines with retail gift cards. Banks do not ask customers to move money into a safe account. And legitimate companies do not need you to read gift card numbers over the phone. Once that money is sent, recovering it may be difficult. Be honest, it's impossible. You lost it, all right? Unusual payment methods are a major warning sign. Do not send anything until you verify the request independently, away from the scammers. So far, we gave you 4 signs: urgency, secrecy, emotional pressure, and unusual payment requests. Which of these warning signs have you encountered before? Be honest, share it in the comments. And while you're at it, make sure you subscribe to the channel. You want to get more information like this? Keep watching. We just getting started. Now, pay close attention to the next three. One may appear to be a great opportunity. Another may sound exactly like account protection. And we know it's not. You've been on here long enough to figure, right? Now, warning sign number 5. The story is too good or too sudden. Too good or too sudden. Congratulations, you won. You receive a message saying you won. Won what? What did you even enter? All right? You suddenly won a prize, an investment promises guaranteed returns, a stranger quickly declares love for you, a buyer offers more than your asking price, or someone else. The specific story just changes. The scammer creates excitement before you can examine the details. Try this quick test. A stranger says you won $50,000, but first you must pay a processing fee. Real or scam? That is a major warning sign. A legitimate prize does not require to pay money to receive money. When the reward is enormous and the process is rushed, slow down and investigate. You want to know. Slow it down. Warning sign number 6. They ask for security codes. Who asked for security codes? They are. This is the warning sign I mentioned earlier. It can sound like legitimate account security. The caller may say, "We just sent a 6-digit verification code. Read it back so I can secure your account." That request may sound official, but the code may actually allow them to reset your password, approve a login, or take control of your account. Your bank may send a legitimate security code, but that does not mean you should give it to an unexpected caller. Read the message carefully. Many verification messages say, "Don't share this code with anyone." Anyone includes the person who called you. Never share passwords, personal identification numbers, one-time passcodes, or authentication codes. If you are uncertain, end the conversation. Hang up. Bye. That way you're securing yourself. Then contact the company using the official numbers on your card, statement, or verified website. A security code is meant to protect you, not prove your identity to unexpected callers, just to protect you. Warning number 7, and we wrapping it up. They will not let you verify. The person will not let you verify the story independently. They may say, "Don't hang up. Please don't hang up. Stay on the line. I need to finish this for you. Do not call your bank. If you disconnect, your account will be frozen." This is the phrase I wanted you to listen for. Stay on the line. Why do scammers say this? Because the moment you end the call, they lose control. You can think clearly. You can contact your family. You can call your bank. You can verify the story without their pressure. This is the simple action that breaks the scammer's control in the communication. That's it. That's simple. Do not use the telephone number, email address, or the link they provided you. Find the official contact information yourself. A legitimate employee will understand why you want to verify. A scammer will resist it. Anyone who prevents verification is giving you a powerful reason to walk away. That's it. That's simple. So the 3-step protection plan, make sure you stop, verify, and report. Stop. Do not send any money. Do not click links. Do not share personal information. End it all. And do not provide codes. Okay? Second, you want to verify. Call your bank. End the communication. Contact the person at your bank, company, or agency through an official number that you look up online, but not a number that they're using. And lastly, report it. Report it to the police. Notify your financial institution. If money in your account's been involved, definitely contact your bank. And tell a trusted family member or a friend. At a certain age, scammers come at elderly people. Protect yourself. Act quickly, and this can limit your damage. So my name is Marvin Sykes. With that, be blessed, stay encouraged. Subscribe to the channel. Come on, subscribe to the channel, please. So that way I can get you more information like this and we can protect your bank. Marvin Sykes, out of here. Talk to you later. Bye.